What's up, crew? It's Chris from CloverTac. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk tripods. Now, if you follow the channel, you may remember the heavy-duty tripod here from SunwayFoto. It's the one that we used with the 50 BMG, and it performed phenomenally. A great heavy-duty tripod, especially when it's combined with the rifle clamp from SunwayFoto. Well, SunwayFoto has a little lighter weight option, a little more budget-friendly option in the lightweight tripod here. So we're going to talk about some of the similarities, some of the differences, and then we're going to play around with this little lightweight tripod from SunwayFoto coming up. So let's go. Let's start off talking a little bit about the similarities in these tripods. Now, all the articulation, the movement, the adjustments in the heavy-duty tripod, smooth as glass. The construction on this thing, absolutely amazing. It is super rugged. And I got to say, the same holds true for the lightweight tripod. Also, all of the accessories, all of the attachments, the rifle clamp, the different attachments they've got for the head, all of that will interchange from the heavy duty to the lightweight, and of course vice versa. Where they differ is you can obviously see that the little lightweight tripod a little bit shorter, fully extended, than the heavy duty. And part of that is because the heavy duty here has four different leg sections, whereas the light duty only has three. Now, speaking of those leg sections, there's still carbon fiber in the lightweight, but the way that they adjust with these tension screws, I guess you would call them, rather than these little locking clips like the heavy duty tripod here. Now, as far as the ball and socket on the top, that is what makes these things so smooth as far as the articulation. And the locking device for that ball and socket, as well as the ball and socket itself, very similar from the heavy duty to the light duty, with the exception, of course, of the light duty being a little smaller ball and socket. So with all that out of the way, let's get out on range. Let's play around with this lightweight tripod and have a little fun. I'll meet you out there. Out here on the range with the SunwayFoto, the lightweight tripod here. And SunwayFoto does make a rifle clamp for their tripods. We use that with the 50 BMG on the heavy duty tripod. Today, however, we're going to go with the multi-cal steady rest from our friends at Ransom International, just simply because it does mount to a tripod. And I've never used this on a really sturdy tripod, so it's going to be interesting to see how well it works out. Now, for those that are not familiar with the range out here, we are 75 yards back. I've got steel down there. I don't know if we're going to hit it or not. We're certainly going to give it a try. I'm going to start out with the Beretta BAR 15, this one in 5.56. I think we got all three hits, so not bad. A little bit of a rock to the thing, but all in all, pretty steady. Gonna dial this one up all the way to number 11 with the Marlin in 4570. And that would be a miss. That would be a miss. And at third shot, we got him. Yeah, buddy. Again, tripod in that rest, about as steady as you can ask for. You want to get nuts? Let's get nuts. 75 yards away with the Gerson MC 1911 Hunter in 10mm with the 6-inch barrel. Woo! Here we go. There's one. There's two. Yeah, that was three. Nice. So tripod and the rest certainly did its job with that one. Back inside and with what you've seen out there on the range, I'd like to know your thoughts about this little lightweight tripod from SunwayFoto. Go ahead and drop a comment down below. We sure would appreciate it. I think that it done a pretty good job, just as good a job, honestly, as probably that heavy duty. And again, considering the price point of the heavy duty tripod, this, not a cheap tripod, but definitely a little more budget friendly option that may get the job done for you. If you want to check out the video on that heavy duty tripod, hey, I got it locked and loaded right here. As for this one, we are done. So thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. And until next time, don't forget to chain fire freedom. Bye.